This question looks complicated, but literally this is very simple question. If y equals 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x, then y dash equals what? Before applying quotient rule, first of all we will simplify this function and then we will differentiate this function. So we will simplify this function. We can write y equals 2 tan x can be written as sin x over cos x whole divided by 1 minus tan square x can be written as sin square x over cos square x. Sin square x over cos square x. So y equals 2 sin x, 2 sin x over cos x divided by 1 into cos square x, it is cos square x, minus 1 into sin square x, that is sin square x, over cos square x, cos square x. So we can write y equals 2 sin x over cos x, 2 sin x over cos x multiplied by cos square x over cos square x minus sin square x. Now y equals 2 sin x, 2 sin x over cos x multiplied by cos square x divided by, we know it very well, cos square x minus sin square x equals cos 2x, cos 2x. So y equals cos x cancelled by cos x, we are left with 2 sin x into cos x divided by cos 2x. So y equals 2 sin x, 2 sin x cos x over cos 2x. We know it very well, sin 2x is equal to, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x. So 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin 2x. So it becomes y equals sin 2x over cos 2x. Since tan x equals sin x over cos x, so y equals, we can write sin 2x over cos 2x as tan 2x, tan 2x. Now we can easily differentiate tan 2x. So y dash equals, the derivative of tan 2x is secant square x, secant square x multiplied by derivative of angle d over dx of 2x. So y dash equals 2 secant square 2x.